Determining your proofreading rates, a guide for beginners. Hello, English language enthusiasts. Today, we are diving deep into an essential aspect of building a successful proofreading and editing career, determining your rates. Knowing what to charge is vital not only to earn well but also to maintain the quality and reputation of your services. Determining rates isn't just about pulling numbers out of thin air. There are several considerations to keep in mind. 1. Experience and qualification. If you have higher educational qualifications or more experience, you can charge more. 2. Market demand. Sometimes, there might be a higher demand for proofreaders in a specific niche, like scientific publications. 3. Complexity of the work. More intricate documents, like legal texts or scientific papers, usually come with a higher rate than general blog articles. When setting rates, you can either charge a fixed rate for the entire project or an hourly rate based on the time you invest. 1. Fixed rate. Ideal for shorter projects or when you have a clear idea of the workload. For example, proofreading a 5-page document. 2. Hourly rate. More suited for projects where the scope isn't defined, or the complexity might vary, such as editing a manuscript or a research paper. Always keep an eye on the market. 1. Know your competitors' rates. This will help you find a balance between overcharging and underselling your services. 2. Value proposition. What extra are you offering? Faster delivery? Deeper editing? Highlight these features to justify your rates. It's okay to start with a basic rate when you're just beginning. 1. Regular reevaluation. As you gain more experience, regularly reevaluate and adjust your rates. 2. Feedback and reviews. Positive testimonials and feedback are indicators that you can possibly increase your charges slightly. Thank you for joining us today. Determining your proofreading rates is a journey that requires research, self-evaluation, and regular adjustments. We hope this guide helps you navigate your career as a professional proofreader and editor with confidence. Until next time, happy proofreading!